Have you ever struggled with pests and diseases in your garden? Let me share some simple and no chemical tips we have learned during the past few years. Japanese beetles love grapevine leaves. What we do is grab them and kill them outside, far away from the garden. The reason is that the scent, the aroma of the dead beetles, will actually attract more of their kind. Ladybugs are beneficial insects. If you see them in your garden, be happy. Look at this bug. Good thing that Swiss chard is not affected by bugs. To keep Swiss chard healthy, all you need to do is eliminate the dying leaves. Kale is another story. It is very affected by bugs in summer. It gets better as it gets colder. This baby kale is the only one that didn't get eaten by bugs, and it is under a cucumber plant. That brings me to the next point. Biodiversity. Try to have different species in your garden. Biodiversity will encourage a healthy and natural balance of pests and beneficial insects in your garden. It is almost impossible to protect from birds. You can cover your crops to avoid the birds eating the seeds when recently sowed into the soil. You can uncover the plants as soon as they have emerged. We use the fence to protect our garden from deers, beavers, and raccoons. The gate, though, has an opening big enough for some small rabbits to get in. The reason we don't get damage from rabbits are the marigolds. Rabbits hate the scent of marigolds. Beets don't have threatening pests or diseases. They do very well in this area. Radishes do get some damage to their foliage, but the radish itself doesn't get affected. No need to control that. Peppers, no matter the variety, are champions. They don't need maintenance, no diseases, and no pests. Tomatoes need the most care in our garden. You need to eliminate the suckers. By the way, the suckers are those shootings that grow in between the main stem and the branches of the tomato. You can eliminate the suckers by hand if they are small, or using some scissors when they are bigger. You want to use sharp scissors to eliminate bigger suckers or branches to minimize the injury that the plant receives. On tomatoes and any plant you want to eliminate dying leaves, especially those touching the soil. Eliminating suckers will keep the growth of a main stem upwards, with fruits all along the stem. It will improve ventilation and the ability of the whole plant to receive sunshine. Zucchini also needs to be pruned for the same reason as tomatoes. Get rid of excessive foliage so the plant can keep producing. Look at this insect. It is helping pollinate zucchinis. When a female flower has been pollinated, a fruit can grow. It's the same for watermelons, melons, cucumbers, etc. We need insects to pollinate the flowers. Finally, keep the water by the root of the plants. Don't water the leaves. Keep the leaves dry and the roots wet. Watering the leaves will create a hot and humid environment in summer, perfect for the proliferation of fungus diseases. Keep the garden watered and free of weeds so there is no competition for resources. The effort, time, and patience put into a garden will yield the fruits you long for.